First trading day of July. 3 trades, all 3 had entry problems. Let's talk about what went wrong and what I am taking forward. Today is Thursday, 2nd of July 2026. Market gave a positive opening above previous day high. The opening candle itself gave a beautiful trade which I missed to take. Yesterday market had continuously been rejected at 24050 zone and today market opened above it and held. So entry could have happened in that opening candle itself, but I missed it. My first trade entry was in 24100 CE. After a bullish candle above previous day high, the next candle was rejecting near 24110 zone. That rejection looked like a valid CE sell signal. Logic was a pullback or magnet till 20 EMA which was not touched since opening. But here is the mistake. I entered too early without waiting for confirmation. That was a hasty entry. Basically, I was completely focused on the zone and 20 EMA and ignored other factors validating the bullishness in the market. My 10 points SL got hit almost immediately after entry. Loss of 3200. The entry was the mistake, not the logic. A pullback towards 20 EMA like a magnet was perfect logic. Mistake was in the entry timing and also the fact that not all zones are strong. My second trade entry happened in 24100 PE. The logic, the first 5-minute candle high breakout was sustaining. That was a bullish signal, but again late entry. Trade went well after entry. Market was moving up, but I had kept a 30 points as my target. Now here is where the thinking was off. Nifty had gone up without any proper pullback. In that situation, expecting 30 points continuously without a pullback is an unrealistic target. At 24150, Nifty faced rejection and started falling. My TSL got hit, cost to cost. Profit made from this trade was 170 rupees. The target was too ambitious given the context. My third trade entry happened in 24100 CE. Nifty had come below VWAP. 24110 was acting as a rejection zone. Nifty rejected from that level and took support at R1. I entered and exited as market reacted to R1. Profit from this trade was Rs 1000. In this trade as well, entry was completely off. My 20 EMA magnet strategy could have worked perfectly here. Only the entry should have been when a rejection was happening near R2 level. Direct fall till 20 EMA could have captured. Since 3 trades were done, I didn't take any other trade today. Overall, I made 1800 loss on the day. First trading day of July, first day with the new approach, a loss day. All 3 trades, the primary problem was the entry. Entry timing was wrong in all the 3 trades. And this is directly connected to the new system. When you are trading indicators, the signals are more mechanical. EMA crossover, CPR bounce, VWAP rejection. The indicator gives a signal and you act. But with levels and zones, you need to observe how price behaves at that level. And more importantly, you need to draw levels properly and understand its significance. That will come with practice and experience, and that is what level-based trading demands. So drawing levels properly and understanding how to read price action at those levels, that is my new task. It will take time, but that is the journey. Day 1 of July, day 1 of the new approach, a loss day, but an important one. The journey from indicator-based to level-based trading is not going to be smooth, and today showed that clearly. Subscribe to follow along as I work through it. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.